Hey, how's it going? So I have a second box here of 2020 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire Edition. I'm going to rip into this right now. First box I did last week was pretty cool, so thought I'd try another one. Again, these are definitely cheaper than the baseline Topps Chrome Sapphire for 2020, and so it seems more fun to rip when it's a bit cheaper than the other one. So I think so. The first box I had the auto in the first pack, so I'm going to start that way. Put that on the bottom. I don't know if they're all like that or not. I haven't ripped enough of 2020 to know if they are or not, but let's see what I get. Wish me luck. Hope to get something cool. Last one I got a nice Randy Arozarena. Ooh, look at that. Sweet. Luis Robert on the back. I'm happy with that. All right, Richie Martin. Get my card set up over here. Kyle Gibson. Max Scherzer. Active leaders. Nice rookie debut. Luis Robert. That is cool. Nice, nice. So yeah, the first box I had Randy Arozarena, rookie, and now I got Luis Robert. Awesome. Stoked. Good box already. Ooh, look at that. Yordan Alvarez as well. All right. Chesler Cuthbert. I think I've seen this guy before. Don't know his first name. Francisco Lindor, All-Star Game. Like looking at the shiny. Is that a blue? Is that just normal? Francisco Cervelli. Looks like just normal. Then Yordan Alvarez, rookie cup. Yep, the Cervelli is just normal. Awesome. Two cool rookies. It's 2 packs in. Go to number 3. All right. Jose Suarez, Angels. David McKay. Jacob deGrom. Draw Dyson. Cool. 5 packs left. Robert Stevenson. Looks like we got a green. Go to the Eric Davis. Oh, that's cool. I was gonna say, I was wondering if that was the actual 80s Eric Davis, and it was Home Run Derby, 89 Home Run Derby. That's cool. Saw Ken Griffey Jr. as part of this as well. Robert Stevenson. Felix Hernandez All-Star Game. Yeah, let's see what the green is. Jesus Aguilar. Greens look cool. 14 of 45. I didn't know they were numbered at 45. Wow. Cool. Got deGrom on the back again. Wonder if that's the same card. Giancarlo Stanton. Active leaders. Luis Severino. Ooh, cool. Joe Kelly. And the deGrom, different. So that is cool. All-Star Game. All right, 3 packs left. This one feels thick, so I think I might have a parallel. Or the auto, because it's bent. Last time it was an auto. You can't see that. Last time I had the auto, it was bent like this. So let's see here. Okay, there's something there. Let's just do this. Thomas Nido. Kershaw, active leaders, cool. Zach Green. All right, let's see what we got here. I think it's an auto. It is Willie Castro. All right, so there's the auto of the pack. It was not on the first one. Kind of tricked because of when I opened, I like this Kershaw, the Topps Finest. All the autos were on the top of those, I believe. Just go into these here. Got David Price, Justin Verlander, active leaders. Tyler White, I forgot this guy was even on the Dodgers. Don't know if he still is. Time to Party. And David Price, Dodgers uniform. All right, last pack. It's only got one parallel so far. Got Kershaw on the back. Jared Walsh. Billy Hamilton. I didn't know he was on the Giants. Alex Avila and Kershaw. So there you go. Pretty decent box all around. Let's recap really quick. Jesus Aguilar to 45. Green. Auto of Willie Castro. Yordan Alvarez. Rookie debut. Nice. And then a Luis Robert rookie debut. So there you go. Decent box, I will say. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Catch y'all later. Peace.